Some of the country's top private law firms raising the bar in the fight against new voting laws. NBCNews.com senior reporter Jane Tim says 16 firms are joining forces, creating SWAT teams to challenge the measures in court. Jane is with me now. Jane, you spoke to one of the leaders of these new SWAT teams, Brad Karp. I just like the sound of that SWAT team. It sounds very important. What did he tell you about these teams and how this can potentially expand beyond the 16 law firms that have signed on so far?
So this coalition is really aiming to put just manpower behind this corporate pressure campaign we've been talking about. So while companies may be saying, we don't want you to pass these bills, these law firms are saying, you know, if you do, we're going to put a lot of attorneys, thousands of attorneys, they say, in the trenches with the advocates who are usually fighting these laws. And so we're going to have them help. And they say that while it's 16 have signed on so far, including Paul Weiss in New York, that number could grow, and it's expected to grow.
Jane, today commissioners in Fulton County, Georgia, announced a resolution to challenge that state's new voting laws. What's in it? How big of a deal is this?
So the Fulton County commissioners came together and said, look, we want to do something to stop this law. We'd like to perhaps pursue a lawsuit. I think we have some sound from one of those commissioners. Let's listen to it.
In Fulton County, we stand as commissioners on the premise that the access to the ballot should be easy and accessible, not harder. And arresting someone for giving a person some water or snack if they get hungry during waiting hours in a long line to vote on election day, that is legislative terrorism.
Who decide to file a lawsuit of some kind. We know that they joined 4 other lawsuits. I think it's pretty clear this Georgia law will be decided in the courts, whether it's with a lawsuit like this or one of the others.
Yeah, I imagine it is going to spend a bit of time in the courts. Jane Tim, thanks so much.
Hey, NBC News viewers, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.